Hello guys, in this video, we will cook lady's finger or commonly known as okra. This will be a Chinese style recipe using ground pork and chili paste. And these are the ingredients that we are going to use, and the complete measurements are listed on the description down below. First, we are going to prepare a wok and put some oil. Then we will saute the garlic first. And then the onions. Now let's add the ground pork. And we're going to add 1 cup of water. We will also add oyster sauce. This is for additional flavor. And we are going to cook this for 10 minutes. After that, we are going to add ground black pepper, let's now add 1½ spoon of chili paste. And we will let it boil for 3 minutes. After that, we are going to add the lady's finger, and add another 1/2 cup of water. Remember to let it boil for another 4 minutes only, so it will be still crunchy. Now, let us taste it. And this is ready to be served. Did you know that this is best paired with steamed rice? Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.